All right. Why would Casey Anthony's lawyers have her examined for competency when the trial is so close to wrapping up? Ryan Smith is in Orlando, and he's taking your questions about this strange twist in the case.
I received so many tweets about the issue concerning competency and how it's handled in courts. So I just want to take some time out and answer some of your questions. Barbara Klingler asked the question of, why would they do this competency testing so late in the trial? Well, I'll tell you, Barbara, that's because they requested it. The defense did. And it can come right from the motion on this one. They said that Casey Anthony was not competent to aid and assist in her own defense and is incompetent to proceed. There's some issue that went on that made her incompetent to go forward in this trial. So when that happens, they can ask for this at any time during the trial. Something changes, something's going on mentally with somebody. The key is they can't appreciate the nature of what's going on in the courtroom proceedings. And so if that happens, the defense team can step up and say, Judge, we need a competency hearing to determine whether or not she can understand what's going on. So that's why it happened so late in this trial. Something happened that made the defense request this. Now, Brianna Meadows asked the question, so does this mean they're putting her on the stand? Well, Brianna, that's the million-dollar question. We can't know at this point whether she's going to be put on the stand. But I will tell you one theory that's going around. One thing you have to do in a competency hearing is you determine a number of things. One is, can they appreciate the nature of the charges against them, the nature of the penalty? And another point is the defendant's capacity to testify relevantly. Now, one thing that happens sometime in competency hearings is a defense attorney will advise a client, we don't want you to testify. If she wants to testify and doesn't appreciate what that might do, they may request a competency hearing. So perhaps that's a sign that she might testify. We can't know for sure. If you have any questions, send them right to me at Ryan Smith TV, right on Twitter.
All right, Ryan, thank you. Love it when he answers your questions.